Okay, do y'all remember when I posted this video about my son's room?
This is my 5-year-old's room. It is a disaster. So his closet is actually a decent size, but it just doesn't work.
Well, the amazing people at Artisan Closets and Carolina Closets reached out and they're gonna help me, and I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys the entire process. We are purging, we are cleaning, we are painting, we are redoing, and getting a new closet that I get to organize, which is my favorite thing ever. Can't wait to share the whole thing. So Jean from Carolina Closets came out and measured, and she just talked to me about what our needs were, what our concerns were, and she came up with an amazing plan for Jack's new closet. So the next step in this project was to head to the Carolina Closets showroom to pick out the colors and finishes of this closet. Y'all, I could have spent all day long in this showroom. They have storage for everything. For garages, for craft rooms, for amazing closets and kitchens. It's a dream. It's a lazy shoesin'. All right, so now that everything is picked out, it is time to get into that room. We've got to clean it. We've got to declutter it. We've got to paint it. We have so many projects ahead of us, so let's get going. Y'all, I'm so excited. It's install day. So Jack and Corey are sleeping in the den tonight, aren't you?
Yeah.
We moved Jack's mattresses in here because I'm working on his room. And Jack brought some toys and some friends in here, right, Jack? Can't sleep without lots of friends. All right, night, guys. And Mimi gets to sleep in here too with a nice warm fireplace. Okay, so it is 12:07 and I'm gonna have to call it for the night. Like, I'm exhausted. We've gotten so much accomplished. The boys are actually sleeping. Corey and Jack are sleeping in our den because we had to take the mattresses out of here because I was working late, and tomorrow I'm painting the beds and we're painting the walls. So big day tomorrow. Super, super excited. I got a lot accomplished today though. So much. But I'm beat. So, excuse me. I'm going to bed tomorrow. We're getting back to it. Okay, we've got the room painted, we've got the beds painted. Now we've got to put together the furniture. We also got some legs for the little cubbies that used to be on this side of his wall. So we're gonna put those on. And then it's time to organize the closet and then we're done. Y'all, this shot has so many books, like so many books. So I've got to go through, find what we're going to keep, and then organize them. Because the plan is, I've got 2 pieces of furniture that are going to go beside his bed that he's going to be able to keep books that he's currently reading. And then I'm going to have this basically circulation library. The whole top shelf of this closet is going to be his book collection. And then as, you know, seasons change, I can pull down those books, or as he outgrows certain books, you know, I can kind of go back and forth. Plus, kind of keeps things fresh and new. And he loves to read so much, which I'm grateful for. Well, he loves to be read too. We're not to the reading part yet, but he loves to be read too. So I thought, I'm gonna get it all right here. And then as he needs new books, I'll just move it down. But there are so many books. Now this book, one of my all-time favorite books, and actually one of Jack's favorite books, and this is actually the inspiration behind this entire project. He loves this book. He loves how organized everything is. He loves how their closet had space for everything. I cannot wait to show you guys the entire finished project. It's gonna look so amazing. I cannot wait to show you. So our house was built in the 70s and Jack's closet doors were these giant bypass doors. They're huge. They were made custom for this closet because it has a really big opening. And they were old and they were heavy and they were hard to open and close. And there's just no way that that little guy was gonna be able to open those closet doors. So instead of doing closet doors, we decided to put curtains up. And then if we decide that we want to add closet doors later, we'll take the curtains down and we'll add new closet doors. To be honest, this closet system looks so good. I'm probably gonna want to leave this open most of the time. And you may notice that I got my hair cut. It had been a year, an entire year since I got my hair cut, so it was time. Now, if you remember, we have a bit of a stuffed animal problem, but I think I've got a solution for that. Now, one of the things I love about this closet system are these little cubbies that they recommended. They're open. I love them. I think they're going to be the perfect solution for our stuffed animal situation. And now he can still see his cute little furry friends, and whenever he wants them, he can just get them out of the drawer. I found these little bins on Amazon. I promise I'll link everything for you guys in the description. Now I also found these baskets on Amazon and I love them. They are like legit sturdy, hard for him to break, which is key.
In your eyes.
I love it!
I told Jean from Carolina Closets that Jack loved to hide, so she created for him his own little hiding spot. This kid has a nicer closet than me. I'm obsessed and I want them to do every single closet in my entire house, including my pantry and my basement and everything else. Guys, this was so much fun. It felt so good to clean and get rid of and to organize and just simplify some things. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, go out and have yourself a little me time and I'll see you all next time. Bye.